got it lit. I'm a high girl. Who gon' handle me? Who gon' handle Mick and he's? Who gon' handle me? But she got it lit. Who gon' handle me? Who gon' handle Mick and he's? Who gon' handle me? But she got it lit. Who gon' handle me? Who gon' handle Mick and he's? Who gon' handle me? But she got it lit. Who gon' handle me? Who gon' handle Mick and he's? Who gon' handle me?
Good morning, Danny gang. Welcome back to our channel. So y'all, today I'm gonna be vlogging. I kind of got a lot of stuff to do, and then I'm going out tonight, so I'm gonna be like prepping to go out. But the first thing I want to show you guys is my hair. So y'all, I got my hair done yesterday. I got these lemonade braids or whatnot. I like them. Every time I try a new hairstyle, I just got to get used to it, but I do like them. They go down to like my waist, so not too bad. I didn't want like a lot of braids or whatever, so yeah, I like them. I just have to get like used to them. I want this more so to lay kind of like just like right over my face, kind of like this. So what I'm probably gonna do is dip them and put contacts on so that they're not stopped by my glasses. But anyway, yeah, these are lemonade braids. I got them done by the same lady that did my twist. I really like them. I just have to get used to them. So the very first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go to Starbucks and get coffee, y'all, because I got a nail appointment, I got an eyeglass appointment. So I just got a lot of appointments that I got to do today. Y'all, I jumped on the scale. Tell me why I lost like another 6 pounds or something. Like, it's crazy. I think it's because I've been like super stressed lately. And I'll tell you guys why I'm stressed in a whole nother video, because that would be 45 minutes long, period. But yeah, I'm really stressed. So I lost weight. Like, I was looking at myself and I'm like, dang, I don't even recognize myself. And I know I've said this before, but I really don't recognize myself, which is so weird. But anyway, yeah, I wanted to just come and open up the vlog. Y'all already know we're gonna get our car washed. We gotta go to the nail shop because I need to get my nails and toes done, because quite honestly, I'm done with the almond shape. I want to go back to coughing. So we're gonna get our nails done, we're gonna get our toes done, we're gonna go to America's Best and get our eye exam, because I'm trying to be better about like my appointments and my health and stuff. So we're gonna go get our eyes examined, and then we're gonna go shopping. Not for much, y'all know we probably just gonna go to Ross. I need like a shirt or something cute to wear tonight. I'm going to the Sugar Factory. So we going to the Sugar Factory, y'all. Y'all know I'm gonna get a drink. So Keto Police, you're gonna see a beautiful drink later on in this vlog. I do want to address like some things that I eat and some things that I drink. Y'all, I've already lost 80 pounds and I'm still losing rapidly. Y'all know I live ketogenic lifestyle and I always eat keto, but every now and then I will have a drink or something that I want to eat because I want to eat it, and because I feel like I know how to get into ketosis really quickly, and I deserve it. I've already lost 80 pounds this year alone, and I treat myself. So if you guys see like a drink or something in my vlogs, it's because I want to drink it or eat it, and I feel like I deserve to, and I know how to get back on track. And that's why I am keto coaching, because I want to teach you guys how to still enjoy life but also be able to get back on track. And that's why I show what I do in my vlogs, because I want you to know I'm realistic. I slip up too, and I'm not really eating strictly keto. I'm not doing strict keto too much. I'm more of a lazy, dirty keto girl now that I've dropped the 80 pounds. I don't want to keep losing weight too rapidly. So yeah, I'm just living life. But anyway, let me drive so that we don't wreck, and I'll see you guys at Starbucks. All right, y'all, I got y'all propped up some weird, freaky way with my purse, and it's just weird. So if it's a little bit crooked, my bad. But anyway, I'm in front of the nail shop. They open up at 10. It's 9:50. I want to be the first one because I have to be out of here by 12. Even though it shouldn't take that long, I got to be out of here by 12 because my eye exam started at 12:30. So, what else? Oh yeah, so here's my drink. Y'all already know what I get. If you don't know what I get, watch my other vlogs because I literally say it every single time. But you know what? I could have new watchers. So if this is your first time watching me, what's up? Welcome to the Danny gang. Make sure if you want to become a gang member, that sounds so weird, but if you want to become a gang member, go ahead and click that subscribe button, and make sure y'all click the post notification bell so that y'all can be notified every time I post. So since I might have new viewers, and my channel is growing like wildfire, so thank y'all so much, I will tell you guys what I get. So yeah, this is what I get every single time I get Starbucks in person, and it is an iced Doppio Blonde espresso. I get 4 pumps of sugar-free vanilla, and I get my heavy cream on the side. And the reason I get my heavy cream on the side is because if you let them put your heavy cream in, all they're going to do is put like a buttload of heavy cream and you're not even going to really have coffee. So I always just get my espresso shot in a grande cup, and then I go ahead and add my own cream. I'm a little heavy-handed, but not like them. And then, as you guys can see, I just mix it in. Then I taste it. So yeah, iced doppio blonde in a grande cup, 4 pumps of sugar-free vanilla, and heavy cream on the side. Y'all, I don't know what it is about when they make it. I guess because it's the real Starbucks. But yeah, see, it's a little bit dark and it's a little bit strong. And I'm going to keep it that way because, y'all, we got a lot to do today. But anyway, y'all, I've been obsessed with Melly. And I kind of blame Britton Snow because I always liked Melly. But I'm just like blaming Britton. So y'all go tell Britton on her Instagram or something that she got me loving Melly. Like, I'm in love with the City Girl song. I can listen to City Girls, like, I listen to that song like literally 20 times a day. City Girls and No Heart. So yeah, it's time to get my nails done. Once again, y'all know this is like my every 2-week ritual. I mean, I could have went a little bit longer, but quite frankly, like I said, I don't like the almond shape. I really don't like the color. And then I broke one, if y'all can tell. And then I put my own nail glue right there just to hold it together. So I'm feeling real ratchet right now. So I was like, let me come get my toes and nails done so that I can be feeling like I'm popping. My toes are white right now, but they look a little bit yellow. So we're about to get that done. And yeah, I'm still just letting this hair grow on me, y'all. I like it though. Like, the more I look at it, I like it. I think it's simple. I think it's cute. It's not too many braids because I don't want to have like too many braids to where they're pulling on my edges or they are stopping me from working out. But yeah, I like it. I think they did a good job. It's really neat. So y'all already know I'm finna try to get some pictures in. But yeah, I just want this part to be flat. So anyway, y'all, I'm just rambling at this point. I'm waiting on the nail shop to open. And then once they open and I get in and situated, I'll be back. I had to come back real quick because as you guys see, it is 10:01. Y'all, it is 10:01 and the freaking nail shop is not open. See, this is what makes me mad. People and businesses in Atlanta, if y'all say y'all open at 10 o'clock and it's 10:02 and ain't nobody there, Lord, y'all, let me find another spot. I'll be back. Okay, gang, so we have finished in the nail shop. Y'all, I was about to pull off, but luckily, like, soon as I was about to pull off, they pulled up or whatever. So I did get my eyebrows waxed. Like, I still get my eyebrows waxed, even though a lot of people get them threaded. So yeah, they look really good. My eyebrows are always naturally thin on the end, so of course I go in and fill them in, but they look good. I got my nails this lavender color. I like them. Y'all, I like when they are thin. These look a little bit bulky, but it's okay. I love the color. I got this lavender color. Y'all already know I got white on my toes. Y'all, tell me why when I was in there, America's Best called me and told me that the doctor called in sick, child. So I had to reschedule my appointment for another America's Best, but I can't go till 3:20. But I was supposed to have my appointment at 12:30. So now it's 11:06. So they did my toes, they did my nails, and they did my eyebrows in like under an hour. So that's why I like to come to them. So yeah, now I guess what we'll just do is we'll go ahead and head to Ross. Y'all, my face, oh my God, every time my cycle comes, my face just like gets so crazy. Luckily, I could cover it up with makeup. But yeah, I kind of feel like somebody now. These braids, I'm still trying to get used to them. But I know once I dip them, they'll lay. And then once I put my contacts on, they won't be, you know, sticking up because of my glasses. So I'm not tripping. So now we're just about to go to Ross and try to find something to wear. I don't know if I want to wear a dress. I don't know if I want to do my regular cute top, jeans, and heels. Don't know. But yeah, we're about to go to Ross and find something. So let's go. I think this might be it, y'all. This is so cute. It's 14 bucks. And it's like a one piece. And I just slipped in it. I could put on some black heels, gold accessories. Honey. Pictures. And I think it goes with the hair. And then it clips in the back, but the back be out. So yeah, y'all just keep watching. But I'm gonna have this on tonight. Y'all, this is so cute. And my stomach look good in it. But I have other options. So keep watching the vlog to see what I go with. Okay, gang, so as in the previous clips y'all just saw, I was at the eye doctor. Y'all, there was so many people up in there. I didn't even vlog, but I made my appointment at 3:20 at America's Best. So they did my appointment, they did my eye exam for contacts or whatever, because my glasses are still in good standing. So they did my contact exam, and I got a trial pair, and luckily my insurance is gonna pay for, I think, like $200 worth of contacts. So once I do the trial for a week, then I'll go back in and then we can order them. But yeah, so now I'm about to go home. It is about to be 5 o'clock, so I'm about to go home and I'm about to just chill. I'm probably gonna take a nap and just relax, and then the next time you see me, I'll be all, hold on. Okay, yeah. So the next time you see me, I'll be all did up and made up and looking pretty to go to the sugar factory. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next clip. Okay, Danny gang. So y'all, it has been many hours, and I am dressed, and I made it to my friend's house. I actually just drank a beer, so now she's about to get the car and pull it around and pick your girl up, and then we're gonna go to the sugar factory. So yeah, I just, you know, got my hair somewhat done or whatever, still growing on me, but I did like a little light beat, and then I just have on like this little one-piece outfit. This is what I end up buying. So yeah, black top and then these pants, and then I just got on some heels. So yeah, real cute, real classy. Then I just have this little purse with me. So yeah, we're about to go to the sugar factory, y'all. I'm excited because I know the drinks is about to be popping. And yeah, I like this look. I think this hair fits this outfit. So yeah, we're about to get in the car, and then I'm gonna turn the camera back on when we get to the sugar factory. I'm a little bit tipsy, but not like tipsy. So yeah, I'm probably gonna buy some shots when we get there, and then we're gonna have drinks. So, and maybe food. So yeah, let's go to the sugar factory. Let's go. Alright guys, so while my friend is parking the car, I'm about to go to the freaking sugar factory to get our table, because we got a 12:30 reservation, but you had to have $10 cash to park. It's just a whole lot of. But anyway, I'm downtown. It's cute, but I'm about to go get our table and wait for her. So we should be walking up now. Let's see. Danny gang, happy Sunday. So y'all, last night was so fun. I didn't get to get that much footage in the sugar factory, one because it was a lot of copyright, so I didn't want to get too much footage, and also yeah, I was just enjoying my company, so I just didn't get that much footage. But yeah, I had a really good time. In the clip previously, you saw that I got up and went to church. And now we about to run in Target because I got my contacts in, and I accidentally already slipped in my contacts. So I'm about to get some solution and stuff, and then I'm just end the vlog. Hopefully this vlog was like entertaining. I don't know. I wanted it to be more entertaining, but y'all just know how stuff goes. So yeah, we're about to head in Target. We'll probably look at the dollar spot. I'm gonna get some solution, and then I'll probably end the vlog out. So I hope y'all like this vlog, even though it was kind of all over the place. Y'all did get to see my hair. Y'all got to see my nails. Oh yeah, no makeup, no nothing, y'all. Just me. So all right, let's go on Target. They got some cute stuff, fall stuff. I saw some of this stuff before. This says Let's Huddle. Cute little mug. They got some like fall lotions for $3. They got some scarves for $7. Some candles. So yeah, they got a lot of fall inspired themes. Clean skin from within, a 2-week program for glowing skin. That's kind of nice. I got a facial brush. Bath bombs, fall inspired bath bombs.
Hurry up.
And fall lip gloss or lip balm. So cute. So cute. I don't need anything, so I'm probably not gonna buy nothing. But just showing y'all. They got some wine glasses for fall. Gathered together. That's really cute, y'all. Really, really, really cute. But yeah, they got a lot of stuff like for fall, but it looks like the basic kind of stuff they've been had. Trick or treats, getting ready for Halloween. Creepy crawly, that is so cute. Been better. For rent. So yeah, they got cute stuff, y'all. These are cute. Cute. This kind of stuff reminds me of Thanksgiving. It's cute. And then more fall stuff. This will be cute on my desk at work. Then we got some picture frames gathered together. Really cute, y'all. Got these candles. That's cute. Then they still have like, you know, stuff for kids. Fresh and hot apple cider served daily. Super cute. I think these are cute, but for some reason I don't like cups with these type of tops. But they're cute. And more Halloween. So yeah, that was just a quick little Target run. So now I'm about to get something to eat and just go home and chill. It's 3 o'clock on Sunday, and I am tired, y'all, because oh yeah, let me just tell y'all, if you are in Atlanta, the Sugar Factory, when I tell you those drinks were so freaking strong, and I can handle a lot of liquor, those drinks were so extremely strong, it was ridiculous. Like y'all saw in the clip of the drink I got the lollipop drink, y'all, I could not even finish it, like not even almost remotely. It was so strong. So yeah, if y'all looking for a strong drink, y'all looking for a good time, I showed y'all the decor. It's very beautiful. The drinks are very strong. So yeah, you will have an amazing time there, and you will be drunk. I couldn't even drive home. I had to stay at my friend's house, and I didn't even go home till this morning, and then went to church and everything. But the drinks were incredibly strong. So yeah, I debated posting this vlog, but I'm gonna go ahead and post it. Hopefully you guys like it. And yeah, if you made it all the way to the end of the video, thank you so much, sis. Thank you for watching. Make sure that you subscribe and hit the bell to turn on your post notifications. And if you made it all the way to the end, go ahead and drop the little rainbow down below, because we had little rainbow lollipops in our drink. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Report live from the internet. Signing out. Back to you, world. Deuces.